For over 50 years, one of Stephen Hawking's most audacious ideas remained just that, an idea. He predicted that when two black holes collide and merge, the total surface area of the new black hole must be larger than the combined area of the two that formed it. It's like saying you can't add 1 and 1 and get less than 2. It was a brilliant theory, but we had no way to test it. Until now, recently, scientists witnessed one of the most powerful cosmic events ever recorded. A collision of two massive black holes, 1.3 billion light-years away. This event, named GW250114, sent ripples through the very fabric of space. These ripples, called gravitational waves, traveled across the universe and finally reached us here on Earth. Using the incredibly sensitive detectors at the Laser Interferometer Gravitational Wave Observatory, or LIGO researchers, were able to hear the collision. The vibrations were minuscule, smaller than a proton, but they held the key. By analyzing the data from these gravitational waves, scientists could reconstruct the entire event. They figured out the mass and spin of the two original black holes, and then measured the properties of the final, merged black hole. The result was astonishing. The new black hole's surface area was indeed larger than the sum of the two that created it, confirming Hawking's area theorem with a staggering 99.999% certainty. This discovery is huge. It doesn't just prove Hawking right, it reinforces a deep and mysterious connection between black holes and thermodynamics, the science of heat and disorder. In our universe, disorder, or entropy, can only increase. Hawking proposed that a black hole's surface area is its version of entropy. It, too, can only grow. This confirmation brings us one step closer to understanding the fundamental laws that govern reality. The signal from this collision was so strong that scientists could even detect the faint, ringing tones of the newly formed black hole as it settled down. These subtle vibrations allowed them to confirm another key idea, the Kerr model, which states that a black hole is elegantly simple, defined only by its mass and its spin. This isn't just a win for Hawking. It's a monumental achievement for physics, with even more powerful detectors on the horizon. We're entering a new era of cosmic exploration. We'll be able to listen in on hundreds more of these incredible events, pushing the limits of our knowledge and searching for the point where our current theories, even Einstein's, might begin to break down. We're on the verge of uncovering the deepest secrets of gravity and the universe itself. Thanks for joining me on this cosmic journey. If you enjoyed this video and want to explore more amazing discoveries, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. See you next time.